I have now opened a Google form that I had previously created. The first question type is the date. This question allows you to ask a person to insert a date. Now, the date can be today or any time in the year. All they have to do is click the calendar button and select the date you're asking for, or they can type it in if they so well please. The second type of question is time. Here, people can insert what time it is. The third type of question is multiple choice. This multiple choice question is just like any other multiple choice where there is one correct answer to the question. The paragraph question allows you to type in a long answer to answer the question. Drop-down questions allow the person to have a drop-down box where they can select the correct answer. Short answer is where the person types in a short response to answer the question. Check boxes is where the person can select multiple options to answer the question by checking the different boxes. Linear scale is a question that allows people to choose where they fall on a spectrum, and you decide what the endpoints of that spectrum are. As you can see with the linear scale, the person will choose the numbers that you so well choose to be between 1 and whatever you want, where they fall on the spectrum. Now, the multiple choice grid is a little more tricky to use and will take just some time to get it to exactly what you want it to be. This multiple choice grid option allows you to have rows and columns that correspond to certain answers you want. So if you want to know what month someone likes to go swimming, and you would use the multiple choice grid option because they can choose the row will be swimming and they can choose what month based on the column, and they will select that column and put the dot there. Now, at the bottom of each question, you have these icons. The squares allows you to duplicate the question, so you get the same exact question as you just previously had. The trash, of course, deletes it. The required button allows you to choose if you want to require a question to be answered or not. If you choose for it to be required, a little asterisk will appear up here, and it will tell the person that the question requires an answer. As always, the 3 dots is more. And here you can choose to add a description to your question or how you want the question based on the answer to be navigated to the next one.